Friends, I want to call the attention of all the bloggers, those known and those unknown, the likes of Tunde Ednot, Laura Ikeji, Linda Ikeji, and so on. I don't care. Even fellow Nigerians that can help to publicize this, to get to where we wanted to get it to, please help us out. My name is Aline. While this is my sister, is Susan. This thing is so funny because it is so crazy. I don't even know where to start from, but this is not actually pertaining to me, but it is also pertaining to me. My sister here is pregnant. Wow. When you're saying this or I'm saying this, you'll be like, what's our own business with it? But it is your business. She's pregnant for someone that doesn't want to claim the pregnancy and is denying of the pregnancy. This is so disheartening, because if I tell you the name of the person, you'll be so shocked that how can this person do this kind of thing? But I was there when this thing happened. And what's even the name of the manager of Latsi, or I don't know you, but the day we just saw for the first time. We just saw for the first time there, but when you guys worked to us, I was even like, let me just hit the nail on the head. Davido, David, I don't know what you're called. I don't know your name. In fact, I'm not a fan. Yes, I'm not a fan. I like other musicians, but I'm not a fan of. But my sister is pregnant for you, and she's been trying to call your line.
Everything is, I couldn't reach him, the idiot. An animal, for that matter. Look at me.
Sis,
I'm not here to drag anything with you. I just want you.
No. We are here to drag something with you. If you refuse to come and claim the pregnancy,
you'll be in big trouble.
Yes.
I bet it's with you.
Yes.
You think you have money?
This is so.
You think you have money? You rot in jail.
No. Don't think this is just for for us to get fame or for us
to start trending on
No. We don't trend on reason. Yes.
This is not the real deal.
Yes. We don't need your money. We have enough. We don't need your money.
Sorry, sister. I can see how much you guys need. How long has she been keeping this pregnancy without Davido knows about it? Sorry.
The point is that I've been trying to tell her ever since she found out she was pregnant that she should confront this guy. Go and meet it. The fact that he's refusing to pick your calls, or I don't even understand, or maybe you called him. I don't know that place. Maybe you called him or you don't call him.
I heard he's staying in Lekki.
Lekki, yeah.
We've never met here around
here.
Sorry.
Can I ask you a question?
Okay.
Please, where did you come across him?
A hotel.
Yeah.
Wow.
The day I was actually like celebrating my birthday. So we went to a hotel.
I got to meet the idiot, the stupid manager. What's his name?
Okay.
I got to meet him and he introduced me to him.
They called you inside.
Yes, and we have something together, and that's just. I even thought it would be a normal thing, and it resulted to be then. Why am I to be blamed here?
Gosh, this is.
I just need
all girls does this kind of
yes,
shit.
We are
humans. We do this kind of shit once in a while. But it is so disheartening and so confusing. I shouldn't even call it confusing or disappointing to know that this kind of person with this kind of name couldn't, try to claim, okay, fine. We had Chioma. Just congratulations to you.
Anyhow,
I don't care.
Anyhow, may God be with your son.
Whatever.
With your Bobrisky.
But we want you. What I want from you is to do right by my sister. That is only what I want from you. We don't need your money, no.
Fuck you, fuck your money.
We don't need a penny from you. Yes, we are very fucking
Come and
rich.
father your child.
Yes, that's all we want from
money,
you.
Please.
We don't want to. We don't want anything
please,
from you.
How many months is this pregnancy now?
Just few weeks now.